Mga kapuso, kay lagi, halos tarang butang karon, online na. Siyempre, dili sab magpahuli ang kasal. Gani usa ka Mindanawan ang gikasal, pinaagi sa virtual wedding sa iyang langyaw nga husband na karon. Ato makauban karong buntaga mga kapuso, ang newlyweds nga sila Bilal ug Rakma o mas iladong si Makmak Marquez. Sir Bilal ug Mamakmak, maayong buntag. Good morning and welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. How are you both doing?
Hello, I'm Bilal Marcus. I live in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, USA. And I want to say hello to everyone in Mindanao.
Hi, magandang maayong buntag sa tanang mga tanang taga Mindanao.
Congratulations to you both. And please share with us, how did your love story start?
Nag-start ang relationship through online. Nag-met me sa usa ka dating site, international dating site na siya sa mga Muslim, single Muslim. Then, gi-introduce niya ang iyang organization sa ako, kana siya Blood Drive organization.
The closer she tried to get to me, the further I tried to escape because of my past. And her famous words to me was, "I have a heart of stone, but she's going to make it soft." And I laughed because I didn't think I could ever, agree with her because my heart was closed.
Sir Bilal, how long have you been together before you both decided to get married?
About 18 months is when we met, I believe, on a Facebook Muslim dating site. So about 18 months ago.
What made you decide to push through the wedding even if it's virtual only?
I know the virtual marriage was the funniest thing that we both agreed on. We both agreed we're never going to do this. It's embarrassing. It's funny. It's like a cartoon to me. But the more we thought about it, and in our religion, it's a sin to pretend we're married when we're not. And like I said, I think she might have told you that December 21st, I was going to be there. But things got postponed, and hopefully in May, we're going to, so when I get there, we're going to already be married.
And also in Islam, we need to legalize everything. And it is the simple way, na kailangan kinahanglan manggod nato nga dili nato mad-delay ang marriage kung gusto jud ninyo ang isa't isa. So dili pwede sa Islam, dili pwede i-delay ang marriage kay makakommit mo og sala even though you just talk to each other without any sexual intercourse. Pero kanang magstorya mo every now and then, gabi adlaw na, tapos without any guardians beside you. So dili na jud na siya pwede. Dili na gid na siya pwede sa Islam. So that's why we decided to do an online marriage.
Ma'am and sir, how did you conceptualize the virtual wedding?
Dili pud namo ni siya buhaton kung wala mi naga-consult sa Sharia law, Sharia office. So in fact, ang naga-solemnize sa mo ang marriage is the one of the head of the Sharia here in Davao Oriental. That's Ustads Alimuddin Sagapan. So before we do this marriage, gusto nako nga maligal ko in the eyes of Allah, dili ko makasala sa iyaha.
Kinsa ba nang preside sa virtual wedding and who are the attendees?
Ang naga-preside sa wedding is the the head of the Sharia, and the one who my wali is my brother.
Basically what we're doing here, but I had quite a few friends, maybe about 6 people that were on there that wanted to be on the, what is this? Something like this. It was just like this, except she was in the office and it was being recorded in a couple different ways. But basically just like where I'm sitting right now with my kids here, and then my friends on the screen who wanted to watch.
Ma'am, mo sa iyong ma-feel nga nakasal na jud mo virtually?
Naging panatag na yung kalooban ko na wala na yung guilt na nararamdaman ko. Kasi may guilty kasi ako, guiltness kasi akong nararamdaman nung palagi kami nag-uusap kanang permintimi nag-istorya, permintimi kanang walay consent from Allah kay dili pa man ni married.
As a believer of Islam si Mamakmak, nasunod ba gihapon ninyo ang traditional Muslim wedding?
There is a turnover of your wali to your husband to be. nandun naagi hapoy ing ato og kadtong sermon sa wedding hutbaton nika sermon sa wedding naagi hapon to dili to siya pwede wala ang kay mao siyang importante.
How about ang documentary requirements sa wedding, ma'am, to make it legal?
That is to be followed. Kung naan na siya diri makaani kay we need kanang sa ano bitaw sa embassy kinahanglan manggod namo ang legal capacity to marry nga kuhaon diri sa tuang American embassy diri sa Pilipinas. So kinahanglan man to siya ko kinahanglan siya mag-anhi diri bago na mo ma-process ang amo ang marriage contract. Ang amo alang is to legalize in the eye of Allah.
For others who are also in a long-distance relationship like you, what can you advise to make their relationship stronger and long-lasting?
Basically, talk a lot. Don't give up. If you truly love a person, you're not going to give up. I saw some people that made me sad, today that said the relationship's going to be over because of COVID-19. My point is, screw COVID-19. If you love that woman, if you love that man, you can get through it. It's only a matter of time. But if people leave each other, they really didn't love each other. So just stick by them. What are you going to do? Start another relationship with someone you don't love? If you love somebody, stick with them. This is going to build you in the future. If you can get through this, you can get through anything.
Well, thank you so much for sharing your story with us, Sir Bilal and Mamakmak, and I wish you all the best in your married life.
Thank you very much for having us on.
Salamat po sa imuhang pag-invite sa amo.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.